Welcome to the Wordwall module of the Web 2.0 curriculum. In this module, you will learn how to prepare an interactive learning lesson with Wordwall. You will learn about the general function of the application of the website and how to create interesting learning materials for your students. Additionally, some limitations of the free version will be addressed, as well as useful tips and tricks. At the end, you can take a self-assessment test to check your knowledge of the Wordwall. General information. Why use Wordwall? It's a quickly spreading learning system that allows you to fully customize your own course plan, create new content, provide learners with materials, create tasks and activities, assess learners, and to communicate with them. It's made of two elements, logic and the view. It's simple and enables all teachers to create and share resources wherever they are. It's flexible, secure, and available in 38 languages for free. The theoretical part of this module will take about half an hour and the practical creation of the course about 2 hours, depending on the content. Teaching methodologies can include lecturing, discussion, drill and practice, group work, questions and answers, or project-based learning, hybrid learning, or demonstration. Assessment can include a written test or quiz, teacher observation, homework activity, or project-based activity. Learning objectives of this module. At the end of this learning module, the participants will understand why and how to prepare a course plan online, will understand the main features of Wordwall, and will be able to create a course in Wordwall, prepare a course plan, and evaluate activities. What is Wordwall? Wordwall can be used to create many types of interactive or printable learning activities. Some are free and some you must pay. You can simply choose templates and enter your content, or you can customize the template for your learning style. Wordwall can be used as student-completed assignments. The learning activity that you created can be made public. As well, you can use them on another website to share with other teachers and with students. How to register. First, go to wordwall.net and click on the Sign Up button. Then choose one of the following options: sign in with your email address or sign in with Google. If you register by email, please fill in the required information: email address, password, confirm your password, choose the location, and click Accept for the terms of use and privacy policy. Click on the button Sign Up. Now you should choose price plans: Basic, Standard, Pro, Individual plans. Choose one of them. A Standard or Pro choice is paid, so it's necessary to choose a type of paying method, monthly or annually. Click Sign Up or Subscribe and start using the platform. Then it's necessary to choose school plans. Choose the number of teachers and a Standard or Pro plan. There is an amount of money your school must pay. Information which is needed for paying is in the Frequently Asked Questions. How to use Wordwall, the free version. When you log in, you can see the Wordwall dashboard. You can start creating your own activities by clicking on Create Activity. If you are looking for finished activities, you can search for them in Community. When you click on Community, you can see the finished activities by others. You can select an activity according to grammar or the topic you are looking for and click on it. Then click Start, and you can play the chosen activity. The Wordwall platform has a lot of handy functions. One of them is switching the template. It means that you can change the same topic into another activity template. How to prepare a course plan and to create tasks and course activities on the free version. There is a menu on the top of Dashboard. Click on Create Activity. You can see 18 free templates in the free version. There is a description below every template. You can pick different templates and click on the chosen one. Let's start. When you pick a template, you can see a detail of your activity. Write your own title of this activity. Now you should fill in the detail of the activity. We have chosen an activity for practicing English grammar, present simple. Add instructions for students. It's not necessary. It's up to you. Write what you need, a full text in the present simple. Missing words. Click on words in the text that you want students to complete there. The words you have clicked on are among the missing words now. Click on the Done button. If you click on Start, the activity can be played. You can see the different templates on the right. You can try how it works. Click on verbs on the left and drag them to the suitable gap. When you have finished, click on Submit Answers. On the left, there is a timer. You can set the playing time or simply let it be and know how long you have been playing. Now you can see the score. The answers are checked and you can see the score and time. The score and time are done by the game automatically. If you click on the icon on the left side, you can start again, or you will get back all the parts after they have been eliminated. How to upload materials for learners on the free version. Click on the Share button and choose a resource title. You can see two options, Private and Publish. Choose the Publish one. There is a resource for sharing with students. Copy or embed it. How to generate an assessment for the free version. At the end of the activity, you can see how each individual student played the activity. Click on Options and you can change conditions of the leaderboard. Now click on Set Assignment on the lower side of the screen. Then fill in the assignment setup, result title, registration, setup detail. Choose the options on the end of the game. After that, click on Start. Right now, your preparation is done. You can copy and send the link to your students. When your students click on the link, the window will appear. Your students should fill in the name and start. Every student can see the results at the end of the game. You are on Dashboard. Click on My Results on the menu line. Then click on New Folder. It's recommended to put the name of the activity there. You can register your folder Irregular Verbs. When the students finish the activity, you can check their individual results. There are detailed results too. It's easy to see what the score is and where the students have made mistakes. It's good to know that not all templates support the assignments. It's useful when students have individual access to their notebook, tablet, or mobile phone. It's good for setting up homework as well. Each student's results are recorded, and teachers can see the results immediately when students have finished the activity. Tips and tricks in the free version. Different options. Below the activity, there are options. It's possible to change them according to your needs. Different options. What to change in options. The time in which the activity is played, random choosing, showing answers at the end of the activity. You can change the template of the activity. When you click on the Create Activity, you can see the activity which has been done. There are other options like Switch Template. Click on the activities you prefer. The random wheel changes into the different activity, as you can see in the picture. You can change the images and activities simply. Step 1. Click on Create Activity and choose Matching Pairs. Step 2. Click on Add Image. Step 3. Click on Upload and add any picture you need. Images and activities. It's very easy. At first, pick the appropriate pictures from the Wordwall photo bank, then download them. The activity for exercising English vocabulary is ready. The main differences between the free and paid versions. The free version has a limited number of resources, while the paid is unlimited. In the free version, you cannot print teaching materials. In the paid version, you can print up to 16 materials. There are also more interactive learning materials in the paid version. Thank you for your attention and good luck with your fantastic online courses.